Hey everyone, I made it into a new Costco. So right here we have a trail mix 44 ounce for $10.50. Okay, it looks like you get Reese's in here, peanut milk chocolate peanut butter cups, peanut butter filled pretzels, which are my favorite, and dark chocolate chip. So hopefully it's like real Reese's, because you know how they have generic. Organic pineapple rings, a 16 ounce for 10. No sugar in here. USDA organic, 100% vegan, non-GMO. This stuff is actually good. I was stuck in the snow a week ago and this, came in really handy. I don't know why. It was like a really nice treat. A new one for 14 ounce, a new one. Dried lychee, right? Is that how you say it? Lychee, leche, not leche, but $10.99. I love finding new stuff in Costco's. And it does blow my mind that all Costco's are just very different. Some you get like the poke, some you get more organic, some are more kosher. Now this one is gluten-free. Organic Brazil nuts for $12.99. These are back to $13.59, so be on the lookout because sometimes they do become on clearance for 10 bucks. You get 28 in here. But honestly, my favorite is that's it. You gotta be careful though, because it could be very snacky. Okay, today I found the organic gummy bears. I haven't tried this yet, but you do get 65 for 17.
You want me to get you one to try it?
The Kirkland Chewy Protein Bars, 10 grams, peanut butter and chocolate. They're gonna be $15.49 and you do get 42. In the book department, The Ultimate Book of Animals, gonna be $15. I love stuff like that. And look, we have Pika Flap, Ocean One. Yeah, the shark. Oh, let me open it up. Aren't they so cute? I love it. Then we have a love book. Little Pika Flap one of love. And I believe there is a zoo one. Yep, here we go. I don't think there's anything new in the adult book area. There's a lot of political books here. Normally I just skip over that. I mean, come on, we hear enough on the news. We know what's going on. I hear enough at work, trust me. Okay, strength training. You have High Hit, $15.99. This is actually really fun to do, and there's plenty of videos on YouTube about the HIIT. I kind of like it. Some new towels. Okay, they're gonna be 15 and you will get 8. I don't think I've seen like kind of like this color scheme. I do like this green. $21.99 at $22 for the body pillow. If you're looking for a rug, the indoor outdoor rug by Nautica, they're at $120. Good Seed. Okay, we have Dave's Killer Bread. 80 calories, thin slice, $7, and there is no limit. I do like the sourdough bread. That is my favorite. A 40 pack is $9.29, and no limit ends on the 29th. What is this, a mix? I've never had this before. $7.59, ends on the 22nd. I may be tempted to buy this. The gluten-free, non-GMO coconut minis. I'm not a fan of coconut, but everyone in my house loves Almond Joy. Is that what's called?
Yeah, those look like mounds.
Or mounds, whatever they're called.
I like, well, we like Almond Joys, but yeah. That looks like a mound. Big general almonds.
Organic multi-grain sea salt is $5, ends on the 22nd, and there's no limit. And Siete for $5.99, you guys. This is $5.99 for Siete is a steal for a 12 ounce, because in your grocery store, Sprouts, wherever you go, you don't get a 12 ounce. You get a little dinky size, and you're paying $5 for it. But this one is sea salt. They do have a round one. It's like dippers. Those are my favorite, and the Fuego. Normally Costco brings out Fuego, but I don't see it today. Okay, $5.79 for a 32 ounce. Himalayan sea salt. This one is gluten-free. See, this one has sunflower and canola oil. So, because we're slowly, you know, I told you before, I'm cutting back. So I've been buying like the Boulder Creek. But see, man, it's really hard because like sunflower and canola oil is in everything. And Doritos, a lot of people love the Doritos, and there's nothing wrong with that. We've seen this one before. $6.69 and $7 here. Ends February 5th. Can you believe we're gonna be in February? My gosh, no limit. I'm gonna have a 19-year-old, I'm gonna have a 15-year-old, and trust me, I can't believe my ass is gonna have a 19-year-old.
And your birthday was yesterday.
Okay,
Yay,
be
happy
quiet.
birthday.
These are actually pretty good. I think they changed the packaging, because didn't it used to be white with like pink on it?
It seems like it. Probably use them as cereal straws.
$15.79. We have the Egg Witch turkey, gluten-free. $10.99. We have Tyson honey barbecue style bites. I know a lot of people, there is some controversy over Tyson. A lot of people don't like it, and they try to stay away from it. You probably can't see that well, but these are 11. Instant boba, $12.99. $12.99. We have the miso ramen. Kevin's Cowboy Steak Chili is $12.49. Ready in 5 minutes. Okay, grass-fed steak. You know, you could probably cook this in your crock pot. Or Instant Pot.
Big sizes are
Cooked Golden King crab. So they're gonna be $32.99 a pound. $32 here. Highest I see is 47. Next to me we have Wild Cook. These are 15, so 15 a pound, so 27. Rice cooker is $80, 12 cups. I think we might have seen this one before. Alright, you guys, I think that is it for this Costco location. I don't see anything else that's like new or catching my eye here. I've been going up and down these aisles. A lot of this we've seen, like right here is 18 for an 8-pack. But then again, I know there's a lot of new people who just like pop in a Costco video. So it does get tricky like when showing items, because I feel like I don't want to feel like I'm constantly showing like this 5 times a week. But this is your limit is 5 and 24. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.